on-demand water heater here. We are replacing an oil furnace with a hot water coil, an AC coil, and there is a rat's nest, everybody. Screws. We got all this here to deal with. We're back. The new furnace got delivered. We got these two schmucks. Oh, there's Johnny Boy. They're down here ripping the old furnace out. Knows how to use a sawzall. All right, we're trying to get the furnace down, guys.
Almost past my Bucci and my crack.
It's a
There it goes.
tight squeeze.
Now we're free. As I'm about to take my next step into the manless hole.
These are some serious steps, guys. Look at these pipes we had to avoid, everybody. These two guys, look at them. Gotta love it.